Hello and welcome to the Cyber Talk YouTube channel. Today we'll cover the top cybersecurity careers and recommended certifications for 2023. As the demand for qualified cybersecurity professionals rises, large corporations are seeking employees to help them prevent cyber attacks and monitor their environments. Due to the huge demand for talent, cybersecurity jobs are some of the highest-paying jobs in the world today, with some roles paying as much as $150,000 plus benefits. In order to avoid wasting any more time, here are the best cybersecurity careers to pursue in 2023, along with the certifications you'll need to succeed on the job. Cybersecurity Analyst. A cybersecurity analyst is responsible for identifying and mitigating potential security threats to an organization's network and systems. Certificates to consider include Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP, Certified Ethical Hacker, CHE, and Certified Information Security Manager, CISM. Penetration Tester. A penetration tester, also known as an ethical hacker, is responsible for testing an organization's systems and networks to identify and resolve vulnerabilities. Certificates to consider include Certified Ethical Hacker, CHE, Offensive Security Certified Professional, OSCP, and Certified Penetration Testing Engineer, CPTE. Information Security Manager. An information security manager is responsible for developing and implementing an organization's cybersecurity strategy and policies. Certificates to consider include Certified Information Security Manager, CISM, Certified in the Governance of Enterprise IT, CGEIT, and Certified Information Systems Auditor, CISA. Security Software Developer. A security software developer is responsible for creating and maintaining software to help protect an organization's systems and data. Certificates to consider include Certified Secure Software Lifecycle Professional, CSSLP, Global Information Assurance Certification, GIAC, and EC Council Certified Secure Programmer, ECSP. Cybersecurity Consultant. A cybersecurity consultant provides expert advice and support to organizations to help them improve their cybersecurity posture. Certificates to consider include Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP, Certified Ethical Hacker, CHE, and Certified Information Security Manager, CISM. Incident Responder. An incident responder is responsible for identifying and containing security incidents, and for restoring normal operations as quickly as possible. Certificates to consider include Certified Incident Handler, GCIH, Certified Intrusion Analyst, GCIA, and Certified Emergency Response Technician, CERT. Cryptographer. A cryptographer specializes in the science of encryption and is responsible for developing and implementing encryption algorithms to secure data. Certificates to consider include Certified Cryptographic Expert, CCE, EC Council Certified Encryption Specialist, ECES, and CompTIA Security Plus. Information Security Analyst. An information security analyst is responsible for evaluating and implementing security measures to protect an organization's data and systems. Certificates to consider include Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP, Certified Ethical Hacker, CHE, and Certified Information Security Manager, CISM. Having certifications can help demonstrate expertise and proficiency in specific areas of cybersecurity, and can make you a more competitive candidate for job opportunities in the field. If you feel we have missed out on some amazing cybersecurity careers, kindly drop them in the comment section below. Click on the notification button and subscribe for more amazing cybersecurity videos. Bye for now.